Good morning, dear children. Now let's start today chapter 4 in SST. The name of the chapter is Democratic Republic of the Congo, Land of Dense Forest. In this lesson, we will learn these topics: Democratic Republic of the Congo, its location, climate and vegetation; wildlife in Democratic Republic of the Congo, its minerals and transport system; life of the people in Democratic Republic of the Congo. So children, Congo in Africa is an important country which lie in the equatorial region. They lie on both sides of the equator. So their climate is hot and wet type of climate, and it was earlier known as Zaire. It became independent in 1960. Its capital city is Kinshasa. So children, see at the map of Democratic Republic of the Congo. It is surrounded by 9 countries. The names of these countries are Central African Republic and South Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania and Burundi in the east, Republic of the Congo in the west, Zambia and Angola in the south. Children, the most important features of Democratic Republic of the Congo is the River Congo, which is the second largest river in Africa. The Congo River is also known as Zaire River. The River Congo is called the highway of Central Africa. Now children, next topic is climate. Due to its location near the equator, the temperature is very high throughout the year. It has a hot and wet climate. At noon, the temperature is very high and unbearable. Humidity in the air is very uncomfortable. Evening and nights and cool and comfortable. So Congo has hot and humid climate due to near the equator. Okay, so now come on, next topic is vegetation. What type of vegetation found in Congo? The land is covered with extensive equatorial forests. These forests have large variety of trees and plants in a small area. They are more than 40 meters in height and form a canopy of leaves at the top. These forests remain green throughout the year, so they are called evergreen forests. So there is dense growth of creepers and climbers. Many types of trees, important trees found here like rubber, coconut, bamboo and oil palms grow here. These trees provide raw material for many industries. So good vegetation found here. Many types of plants and trees found here. Children, the forest of Democratic Republic of the Congo provide a large number of animals. There are birds, many types of birds, reptiles found here, insects, etc. These forests have reptiles like snakes, python, and abundance. The rivers are full of alligators and crocodiles. A special mammal called the okapi, with head resembling a giraffe and body resembling a zebra, is found in the forest of Congo. So large number of animals found here. Now come on, next topic is life of the people. Democratic Republic of the Congo has a very thin population, so a number of tribes live here. 2 types of tribes live here. Bantu is the largest tribe and Pygmies are a primitive tribe who live in dense forests. They are extremely short statured and live in houses made from twigs, leaves and tree branches. They live by hunting, trapping animals and gathering honey and food. So you can see in picture 2 types of tribes. Next topic is agriculture. The main occupation of people of Democratic Republic of the Congo is farming and mining. The main crops grown here are cassava, maize, banana and rice. Cassava is the staple food crop. The cassava plant has long and fleshy roots. You can see in picture, or tubers under the ground. Next topic is industry. Democratic Republic of the Congo is rich in minerals like gold, diamond, cobalt, uranium, coal. Water is an important resource here. It is used for producing hydroelectricity, which makes up for shortage of fuels like coal and petroleum. There is underdeveloped transport system. Water transport is important, but